We were doing daily reports on huge spreadsheets and then faxing and emailing things and emailing owners every day out of our own office that wanted a daily report. Labor was our main issue coming out of COVID. Everybody knows the labor was 30% higher today than it was then. And to be able to control that through the labor statistics, I call them labor standards, and be able to keep the general managers honest and true to what they should be spending compared to what they are, is what Inflow helps us with.
Inflow has so many tools that are available to us and gives us that real-time data that we need in order to manage our properties. I'll use labor as an example. I have opportunities now that within the week we can make adjustments because I can see overtime at risk. I can see when folks are not using the time clock or people are missing one of their punches, and then we're not having to wait until it's payroll time. There's great advantages of having the accounting and labor management within the same system, as we're not having to come in and out of multiple different software pieces and having multiple logins. We're able to find that in a one-stop shop with the Inflow software.
When the accounting team needs something from me, it's very easy for me to look at in Inflow, and vice versa. When it comes to labor reports and things, I can take a look and see who's working over that shouldn't be, hours that maybe I have allotted for something else. Maybe I can move to a specific area. All that I can see and maneuver in Inflow, which is a lot easier than my former accounting system.
Payroll automatically goes to the GL. There's no accruals. That makes accounting happy.
Inflow helps us be on the same page with our general managers as we're able to look at the data in live time. We're able to see how the properties are performing. We're able to see how the labor models are working. The labor standardization is happening across our portfolios. We have that in real time. We're able to support the properties and give them that feedback about where we can improve the profitability at our hotels.
Because of the ease of the user interface, I'm able to get those questions answered very quickly for our team leaders so they can answer to their bosses and the ownership to make sure everything's flowing easily.
I can see exactly the department, the category, and see exactly what's going on, see their comparisons each month, each year. When I first joined, I had no clue. But as each week, as each month goes on, you start to really analyze and review, and it's right there.
I use it to monitor my housekeepers, make sure that they are accurately cleaning the rooms and they're like allotted minutes per room. We get in the morning, I put how many rooms that they're supposed to have, and then talk to them about, hey, your schedule's changed a little bit. We're a little slower today than we were planning. Instead of you clocking out at 2 today, I actually need you to clock out at 1.
We get all of our scheduled reporting that comes to us on a daily and weekly basis. I can run real-time reports to find out how our properties are doing from a financial perspective.
I have reports come to me every day that pretty much have every statistic that the hotel occupancy, average rate, RevPAR, revenue this year, last year, occupancy this year, last year, labor, guest scores. That is all in one report for the IPD team. So myself and all the regionals and all the accounting people get the report every day, and the salespeople, they can monitor very simply. And then if you want to drill down to something, then we can go into Inflow.
I find it very seamless. It's proven to be a pretty good asset.